Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. It's not what you think. Have you ever wished there were magic words to make someone fall for you? A secret phrase to unlock attraction? The truth is, there's no magic formula, but there are powerful communication strategies that can make you incredibly attractive to women. It's not about memorizing lines, it's about understanding the psychology of attraction. It's about making a woman feel seen, understood, and cherished. Understanding attraction. Attraction is a complex dance. It's a mix of physical cues, emotional connection, and intellectual stimulation. While looks matter, they only get your foot in the door. What truly captivates a woman is the way you make her feel. It's about confidence, charisma, and the ability to connect on a deeper level. The foundation of irresistible charm, confidence is magnetic. When a man believes in himself, it shows. He walks taller, speaks with conviction, and commands attention without demanding it. This inner strength is incredibly attractive to women. It signals that he's comfortable in his own skin, a quality that speaks volumes. But there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Arrogance is loud and boastful. Confidence is quiet and self-assured. It's about knowing your worth without needing to prove it. A confident man doesn't need to put others down to feel good about himself. He uplifts those around him, making him all the more appealing. Compliments that truly connect. Every woman wants to feel beautiful, but generic compliments often fall flat. They lack sincerity and depth. To truly make an impact, go beyond the superficial. Notice the things that make her unique. Instead of "you have a nice smile, try your laugh is contagious." It brightens up the whole room. Instead of "you look beautiful," say "that dress looks amazing on you." It really compliments your eyes. These compliments show that you're paying attention, that you see beyond the surface. Section 5. The power of story weaving magic with your words. Stories have the power to transport us. They evoke emotion, spark imagination, and create a shared experience. When you share a story with a woman, you're inviting her into your world. You're giving her a glimpse of your experiences, your values, and your dreams. Choose stories that reveal something about you, whether it's a funny anecdote, a travel adventure, or a lesson learned. Be authentic and let your personality shine through. As you share, pay attention to her reactions. Does she seem engaged? Is she asking questions? This will tell you if your story is resonating with her. Section 6. The art of listening. It's not just about hearing. In a world full of distractions, true listening is a rare gift. When you give a woman your undivided attention, you're telling her that she matters, that her thoughts and feelings are important to you. This creates a deep sense of connection and makes her feel valued. Active listening involves more than just hearing the words she's saying. It's about paying attention to her body language, her tone of voice, and the emotions behind her words. Make eye contact, nod to show you're listening, and ask clarifying questions. This shows that you're truly engaged in the conversation and invested in understanding her. Section 7. Humor, the great icebreaker and connection builder. Laughter is the best medicine, and it's also a powerful tool for attraction. Humor can break down barriers, diffuse awkwardness, and create a sense of lightness and fun. When you make a woman laugh, you're triggering the release of endorphins in her brain, which makes her feel good. Don't be afraid to be playful and tell jokes. Share funny stories or observations. Self-deprecating humor can also be endearing. It shows that you don't take yourself too seriously and that you're comfortable laughing at yourself. The key is to be authentic and let your natural humor shine through. Section 8. The art of the tease, playful banter that sparks attraction. Teasing can be a powerful tool for building attraction, but it's a delicate dance. It's not just about making jokes or poking fun. It's about creating a connection that feels both exciting and safe. When done correctly, teasing can show that you're confident, witty, and interested in the other person. Done right, it creates a playful, flirtatious dynamic that keeps things interesting. It can break the ice, ease tension, and make both parties feel more comfortable. The laughter and smiles that come from playful banter can build a sense of camaraderie and mutual enjoyment. Done wrong, it can come across as mean-spirited or hurtful. It's important to be mindful of the other person's feelings and boundaries. What might seem like a harmless joke to you could be taken the wrong way by someone else. Always pay attention to their reactions and adjust your approach accordingly. The key is to keep it lighthearted and playful. Think of it as a game where both players are having fun. The goal is to make each other laugh and feel good, not to put each other down. A good tease should leave the other person smiling and wanting more. Focus on teasing her about things that are insignificant or even positive. For instance, you could tease her about her quirky habits, her unique fashion sense, or her favorite ice cream flavor. These are things that are unlikely to hurt her feelings and can actually make her feel special and noticed. Avoid anything that could be perceived as insecurity or a personal attack. Steer clear of sensitive topics like appearance, intelligence, or anything that might be a sore spot for her. The last thing you want is to make her feel self-conscious or upset. For example, if she spills her drink, you could playfully say, "Clumsy much?" with a smile. This kind of teasing is light and humorous, and it shows that you're paying attention to her in a fun way. It can turn a potentially embarrassing moment into a shared joke. Or, if she's telling a story with a lot of detail, you could tease her about being a world-renowned storyteller. This not only shows that you're listening, but also that you appreciate her enthusiasm and storytelling skills. It's a way to compliment her while keeping the mood light and playful. Remember, the goal of playful banter is to build a connection and create a fun, engaging atmosphere. It's about showing that you can have a good time together and that you enjoy each other's company. So keep it light, keep it fun, and most importantly, keep it respectful. When done right, playful banter can be a powerful way to spark attraction and deepen your connection. It can turn ordinary moments into memorable ones and make your time together more enjoyable. So go ahead, embrace the art of the tease and watch the sparks fly. Section 9. Speak with passion, ignite her interest, ignite the spark. Passion is contagious. When you speak about something you're truly excited about, your eyes light up, your voice takes on a new energy, and your enthusiasm is palpable. This kind of energy is magnetic. It draws people in, making them want to be a part of whatever it is that excites you. Your passion becomes a beacon, a light that others are naturally drawn to. This kind of passion is incredibly attractive to women. It's not just about the topic you're discussing, but the way you discuss it. The excitement in your voice, the sparkle in your eyes, and the animated gestures you use all contribute to creating a captivating presence. Women are naturally drawn to men who are passionate because it signals a zest for life and a depth of character. It shows that you're a man of substance, a man with interests and passions that drive you. When you have hobbies and interests that you are deeply invested in, it demonstrates that you have a rich, inner world. This depth is incredibly appealing because it suggests that you are not just living on the surface, but are engaged in a meaningful and fulfilling life. Don't be afraid to let your geek flag fly, embrace what makes you unique and share it with others. Whether it's a collection of vintage records, a passion for astronomy, or a love for cooking, these interests make you who you are. They add layers to your personality and make you more intriguing. Talk about your hobbies, your passions, the things that light you up from the inside out. Share stories about how you got into these interests, what you love about them, and any interesting experiences you've had along the way. This not only makes for engaging conversation, but also allows others to see the real you. Even if she doesn't share your exact interests, she'll be drawn to your passion and enthusiasm. It's the energy and excitement that you bring to the conversation that will captivate her. She will appreciate your authenticity and the fact that you are confident enough to share what you love. It shows that you're a man who lives life to the fullest, which is incredibly attractive. Living with passion and enthusiasm is a sign of a fulfilling life. It shows that you are not afraid to pursue what makes you happy and that you have the courage to live authentically. This kind of energy is infectious and will naturally draw others to you, making you a magnet for positive and meaningful connections. Section 10. The real secret. It's all about how you make her feel. Ultimately, attracting a woman is less about the specific words you say and more about the feeling you evoke within her. It's about the emotions you stir, the comfort you provide, and the joy you bring into her life. Words can be powerful, but they are just one part of the equation. It's about making her feel seen, understood, and appreciated. When she feels that you genuinely care about her thoughts, feelings, and experiences, she will naturally be drawn to you. It's the little things that count, like remembering her favorite book or noticing when she's had a tough day. It's about creating a space where she feels comfortable being herself, where she feels valued for who she is at her core. This means accepting her quirks, supporting her dreams, and being there for her during both the highs and the lows. When she feels safe and valued, she will open up and let you into her world. By focusing on building genuine connection, by listening intently, by sharing your passions, and by making her laugh, you're creating a powerful foundation for attraction. Laughter is a universal language that breaks down barriers and builds bonds. Sharing your passions shows her your authentic self and invites her to share in your world. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself. Authenticity is always attractive. Pretending to be someone you're not will only lead to a superficial connection. When you are genuine, you allow her to see the real you, and that honesty is incredibly appealing. When you're true to yourself, you radiate a confidence and magnetism that draws people in. Confidence is not about being the loudest person in the room, it's about being comfortable in your own skin. When you are at ease with who you are, it shows, and it makes others feel at ease too. This natural confidence is what truly attracts people and makes them want to be around you. So, focus on how you make her feel, be present, be attentive, and be genuine. Show her that you value her for who she is, and you'll create a connection that goes beyond words. It's the feelings you evoke that will leave a lasting impression and build a meaningful relationship. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today on this journey.